Umwancho muligari na bego omwancho mategereri bwa bagusi Global Radio twakwariganire na nderi tukuria rero erio tunyare gusanga na bamanyigete bagukora ebintu byokorosia ebintu boli bikorwa nga ebya entrepreneurship ebinge korwa ase chinsemo cyanya chaki nigondo chenga turache konyara kumanya abarabomba rabyaba nga kibakorwa na ende korwa abo tumaye gocha kumanyana ninkeke bakorosia erio konyara goseria obutaka umetenga ekeroto goseria obutaka kende yonse kerio gokora goika onyare kubanga ngoseria kero botaka kerete egento kebeka sendagira goseke kendagira semesa erio onyare goseria botaka tugochaka naye eye mase mona kyokorokwa naende ngakyo ngosenkyo tenerete gaiga
asa marieta nguru kusaro nchango igondo mutenene wa African Solution Technology na ndi ngabo mutenene uboka yote group African Solution Technology ni gotogo kora mono asogo train abasae na kubamenta ko make sure ngo musawo yonyore genta kora kiranya ko makoko mo sustain asogo mu bugima bwae na nda siboka yote group igoto bwata number of products asoko nyara kiro musaya sabasaya baga kiro mutabwate product ya ukora ebina bito kora mutegere.
Aya asante sana ngukwanira tuli amangana ayo ebi products ekibakorosia egakere moto lakini kurende tigango turaboria ngano yo ngakiakorokwa.
Kwa majina naitwa Kasamo Mduma. Yeah.
Unafanya nini katika African Solution Technology?
Mimi najihusisha na uandishi wa script za movie. Pia tunapokuwa tunaelekea market pia naonyesha show. Azini mimi naitwa Madam Costi. Kwa so tukiwa tumeenda kwenye market pia tunaburudisha wale customer yetu. Yeah.
Okay, asante sana. Na wewe je?
So mi kwa majina naitwa Derek Ogechi na kwa marketing mimi ndiye mwalimu wa dancing. Yeah, mimi ndo nayefunza wenzangu dancing, ndo tukienda pale field tunaanza kuentertain watu.
Kwa hivyo mna dance, mna video, mna movies.
So tuko na movies, pia tuko na videos, pia tuna dance zote actually. Yeah.
Umwancho mutege na wego murigeria to kumianga ngakitoko burukanie gaswahili neke gusi iga tubwate abantu bakwana chiruga different buna nararia bate bangokorwa Tanzania igo goika tolemeranie.
Wananiita Sam Jacob Matogoro. Ya mimi kwa Boka niko kama MCs tunapokuwa tumetoka nje tumeenda marketing na pia ninasimama kitengo cha kutengeneza sabuni na shampoo nikiwa upande wa Boka. Kwa upande wa Bantus mimi niko kama director na pia ni CEO wa Bantus. Tunashirika na mambo ya moves na mengine yanayohusiana na entertainment. Asante sana.
Ambia mono nchasa mareta Rebecca Musongo. Nje umwancho mutayarari ntenerete chindagire cheto bana bagusi. Nje ngocha nabo bawomeri chingeni lina guchinsaga na matundo sina boto kunyabekera nime egere toja tuomera omora kere toja tuoboru chingeni sana bono tokumukiriria chichire chinyenge ngakiyembora tuachi omindu tuachi process tuachi gacha tuachi supply rende kero tuanyorira bokongu na chinse chinene chicho muchite mirabu ya Mombasa Nairobi monjo motegeri na boto kubwatira na motogenderere guchimoto. Asante.
Asa Marieta Ngoro Kudori Somwenga. I'm a CEO and one of the co-founder of Banana Jam. Thank you.
Okay, asante.
Asante sana. Asa Marieta Ngoro Kujana Tikema. I'm the one of the CEO and the co-founder of Boka Sanitizer. Korenda abantu baitomba kwa se corona na ethano nerongoro asinda. Asante.
Aya gando chenga twakora abantu bali batenerete bitengo mbali lakini ntubwate gaiga umuntu bakuruka nga ementa CEO ryo monene kabisa tiganere atotebi na kiakurukwa na ende atotebi nkika gukora gaiga se Boka Group na boigo African Solution Technology.
Mbuya mono sana masi inchebuna mwegwa bana bakondoka menta esauli igona menyeta America sama tukamange lakini nkaira na sense ya yetu ya gusi gosomya abasae buna ingakiba gutumia mekono na korosia manufacturing abana abuna bakwana iga ngaki otokamba baerese kero yamo gabwate genta kora manufacturing na magana yonsipi ninche na bete nkoborokeria saulia karna lengo makena tarite chinse chisi komona ne kamenya robuna wana wana mete boindi e country ndanga na mete kamenya Singapore na spend a lot of time since ya China koranga kiba kora magenderabo nkamenya Europe nsemo ya Norway na Canada nona somete alafu inche bono ga miate sema ya Minnesota kulinde ama ayons pinka na bono iga osomia abana baiga abana abandi buna bauchi ko bairesa abandi mbabwate buna bono ga factory etole mbara bakarosian mo feed buna mochi konyora bagachire factory yabo ali so mucho masimba abanko bandi nganya bale mbara bakorosia ethanol ambaye gotumeka se buna energy renewable energy na roba kurugera ngaki gotoka nkworo kibari bako yarugera na bara gendie gari igo bono ngabana abaitumbu yabako genderera buna mwigo yo mako tumia matoke orosia jam ngia sane bwante kero monta bwante gutumia kiagara amatoke na bwate personal values na abane bara bakuomi chingeni abane bara bakuomi matunda na ende bara bagotenga ikintu kiyo kubingo gotenga ni gasi ekorto kwenda road shows abana baiga paka bareta abande ku Tanzania bamwe abako babwatesia bakora chimovie chia basogosomia igo abana bakora almost everything. I would want to encourage abantu baitu buna bali male in the diaspora, if you can come back for a short time, yani which or give you a time out, your skills and your talents diaspora also go chirata back to the village, they make a difference. Kaya bono muchinya cheki obeira actually muchu mutangani sama ya gusi konyore e factory ya youth na buna ba youth ba chiko bairesa na ba bategerio mwanchumya na bakoranga abana baito boro kigwe na ba konyara uno musi atebetenga ona semi osemi omwabo bono intwe balia twabeire nga twabire diaspora twaro rubu ya bororo tigatoirane to konye omonto oyo as a village. If you can help one person in your village, you'll make a big difference, and that's what you are going to see today. And we are very excited that our young people can be the best of the best in the world if only they can be shown what to do. Thank you so much, Mercy.
Welcome naende ndo chega iganga iga umete ekarogari asaba gusi global radio ntubwato murobori okoro kwanga seria obotaka oyoko gendigwanere omwana obwombo bwabagetuto okoro kwanga videlis mochoge aso murobori oyo no toko ligereria nganchira kiechi aba sae abagaka babangina bagotumeka elio banyare kwenyorere engeria gochimutwari baratumeka ikondo chenga mwanjo mategereri nabo igomurigeria ni tugochikogende yemasemo tochake nensemeria omo CEO rio chageti African Solution Technology atotebinga nki keregaria na ende nki bagokora
ine kerokende nore ase county ya Kisii gose chi county chieta naine nkorigiore amubogani asora nyora bokorari gwekerengo keigoro ase rigori rike bono bwabatiboyo abuga hotel nero richibuliao tutarere ase nsemo ya jogo elio gotoka ase pare kurwa Kisii kogenda Nyamira asobware bwechimita chiminye kurwa ase nsemo ya daraja moja abuga hotel nigo ebwate endagerengia yegekoro naboigo ensemengia yoboraro inyora amagori aito yobokorari nigo alense mono asokorara obutuko bomorioka nigo ogwakana shiringi edbweye mo chibesa chia Kenya onyore aigano konyora chindagira cheke gusibuna erongori egesanda ashiringi 50 chioka alitoke esani ase shiringi emyeye moyoka engoko yeke gusi egesare linagu naboigori sosa turangeri goetera ase namba enoti isano ibere kianda isato inye isano ibere kianda gose 0729 323479 abuga hotel bokorari bwekerango keigoro ase rigori liansi
nendo mwancho motagarari nabo igomurigereri bwabagusi global radio ni gotore ase kampuni okorwa African Solution Technology ase gaigambwate omonto okorwa ngasara ocharo oyore CEO ochango Okay, Sara Ochango yole CEO we kampuni ye niga gochiko totebi inki gose totebi historia keigo aye kampuni ye na ende ninki mogo kora na ende inki kya gosegetete ogachakie kampuni ye ekorokwanga African Solution Technology.
Asante soko ngari baga uno mutangazaji ate aba isemaria tangro kusaro njangu igora chagete kampuni ya African Solution Technology. Nege tukiagerete na singi nchubunu musae, we burst through many temptations and kwanyara wa failing, but failing is not the end of the world. That's the start or that's the beginning. Or maybe when you fail, failing, those are the bricks you used to build. So I used the failure to build myself. Wano igona chagita African Solution Technology umwako 2016. Nugu chaka kuwa ne igona chagita singi nzuna ringo mwanafunzi ase Kisii University in the process kinde skuru igaikase school fees ikambura ngaranga bona once school fees yambulire matumaini tayo bona this is the end of my life but igabwa se school ya Kisi University mbabwa tegente bakoroka social corporate responsibility ngaendororo kabako ba mentored mo amono yona nyoreta ororo muteni yore ngororo asamarieta ari korokula asmabiria ngashare more on my life bakasi na ikirebo narenga I've lost hope in my life so igen tukyoka ngonye tante everything abantu bakora entrepreneurship tarasima bagende school batware chi degree na bakora entrepreneurship nonya kole no class ya mbigen tukyoka gekomata is your mindset wana kurugabu tukaba nero kuna kabako kagongora mentorship ogontebu we can start a business asina chakirete ngachaka kore biashara byo turn any waste into energy and the waste yebone yaring both biodegradable and biodegradable chance ngakore waste for almost 3 months asina chete ngo exhibit product ya Nairobi show aigase show na ringe abantu mbali bale kweta ngabayere sabune project eko work bakaba interested on this project bagante at the end of the show we want to see you in our office one gintu na akora after na akolte show nabona cheta service yabo tukagamba nabo bagante we are very much impressed with this project we want to take it to the next step tukagenda bakanga form getenga apply after akora application bakacha bakandangeri kerabandangeri ngintongere bakoruke bootcamp because I was new in entrepreneurship when I was not aware what they meant by bootcamp nabona attended the program for 3 days after 3 days bakangire ngento bakorukanga business competition aso kwenda wa present idea to the investors after babere bagokire ne project baganiko kwachi besa indokore biashara nabona achiete tuka present project together with my mentor after na present abari kuira chi company sato na chibari kuira so my company was top 3 na ringi number top 3 tukaba funded na funding yawe ya ringi bakwe transport na accommodation oende Europe where you are going to meet other entrepreneurs na ndimo present the same idea after ma present ribona aba much mumirana worldwide ba uchibaire chi company 10 asi company ziga bale wakana 1 million each but then sometimes I say is because now boy attend that because of my accent of English I cannot call the presentation I not take it to semi-finals finals but among the people bali to arwete Kenya one of our project here iretu wano nyena iretu kyoyo muitairu it was happy we were happy because once yo muitairu ntoje tibosa ndigonto akabayo mutuira nangane gento tukairana kero tuirana still my mind bono ya very more on entrepreneurship because I've already been exposed I've seen how people are doing things now my mind is to totally get married on entrepreneurship gataka ukora on entrepreneurship when I come back in Garanga let me solve a challenge of energy whereby you get that in our community most of our women abakutumeka chingo and chinge chiko lead to emission of smoke and sometimes some of them were to lung infections at the end of it bange bakwa waranga the best thing igongo to make an organic waste nyekore carbonization make briquettes this is smokeless source of energy chiko by used in households garage rose for about 1 year as in and in the process of making this I was serving some of the hotels in Kisi because in anyotenga in our household to convince mugusia to make the new technology nigentege kon kusia banda bale ko sekabatanga ayo koro kwande cho kwa rusibo chao kwacha kutoroseria makara and that's what they used to saying uya makara ya koro sinechi chao checho akwanda rosio na kora kiona kutoroseria usalia chisuguri chetu so in the community nganyoranga tiniko nya convince abantu bari my neighbors so what I did nganda most of the hotels in Kisi that's where I was supplying my briquettes so in the process of yokorosia makara I also got an organization Ekoroku Standard Chartered, Global Standard Chartered, which was incorporated na, they were partnering with the IPS Africa and Strathmore University. Ngakora application here. We were around 140 ladies, and they were just funding only ladies who are in technology. So ekana na korata application here, ngatoka nanga among the ladies, I'm top 40, baliba bet selected. Tukagenda, we pitched our presentations, and then among the 40, I was top 10. So what they were aiming about it was 45 who are good in this technology. So after training 3 months, I also was top 5. After 2 training for 3 months, and they were selecting only 5 ladies. So after training ngatoka nanga, and then I made top 5 out of 10. So I was funded 1 million, which facilitated me to buy the raw materials and also to add the machine which I will use in making the briquettes. Because there before, I was just doing it manually, which is very cumbersome and tiresome. So from there, then I come up with another business idea. Though I'm selling these briquettes, but the market is not good, I have to change. Venture into animal feed, because there before we were provided with the machines with the GAF, this is National Government Affirmative Action. We got to provide the machine, and in the process of buying this machine, they bought the wrong machines. So us as the owners of the project to select the kind of machines we need, but they went and bought the machines. To me, I see that it was a nice idea to them to buy, because they bought a machine yenye sikuwa naitarajia. So I ventured into animal feed, which they bought as a mix of briquettes. So the money I got from Standard Chartered, I invested it on the raw materials and started making the animal feed. So in the process of making this animal feed, I also got an organization online. Most of the things I do is online. There is an American embassy together with Michigan State University. They were also looking for ladies who are in agribusiness, and they are upcoming leaders. I applied the organization here, and then I was lucky. I was also taken. In Kenya, they were taking just 4 ladies, and there were around 20 ladies during the interview. Ngabarende one of the 4 ladies, Ngairwa, and I was happy with them, because the way they were mentoring us, coaching us, training us is good way, because they exposed us more. They took us to each and every farm in the United States, in Michigan State, where to arocha barimi bakora batugete chingoko, because my sector was an agribusiness. Ngaitaraba gen beching abalimi bechingoko, abalimi bakora incubation, abalimi bakora milling. I went to milling companies babako sindagira chechingoko, ngasoming more how to do it. After that, and also I went to their head office, maybe I can say Washington DC, as a chair leadership officer. I also spent 1 week there. I was trained on leadership. At least in a better exposed more, which will not make me to go back where I was, and it made me to see, yani, in my mind in Garanga, I'm in a different world, which I needed to transform my local community in Ikisi to make sure that each and every youth has the capacity or has the way to make change in his or her life. So as a young leader or as a young entrepreneur, again, don't watch my fellow youths. It's not necessary that you have money to start a business. You will start an idea and the money will follow you.
Alright, ngwetegabu Sara Ochango okoeresura maeresa mange kabisa igoro ya African Solution Technology, lakini notion nero maete abantu babwate gusaba sai bagotebanga ekero gwa apply chi funds echo ekero tegetokora gento getenga goikotwara omonto gokubwata okoboko aine ayerende nkwata nyare to monto okobwata koko se gwache to apply okanyora su
no monto tayo okobwata okoboko yakwera buna boneka tokwanda chi office chetu cha youth fund Kisi officer yaitu muntu muya sana Mr. Mogoi, na ndi no muntu wanchite ko make sure nga umusayo mokorero isanekire buna atagete tari muntu mukuna guchandana nere gentu gyoka kotebi goikotware group yabasai na ndi goikamo wake together aicha abasomi na ndabarokere buna mokoenda igotera simotwaro muntu
nko kwanya gukora training ende ogenda osomi abantu iguru yamangana yo gukora
chi training ingo korande nande mostly I do free because ekero konyo yo minu mambi nayo konyoro konyu no etari aro guchiko konya injane ro chikwanyoro bokonyi bonde
tutebe ng'anse mukie chikwanya alire gukora chi training echi we mefano kwase kwa rule chi training echi
ya bunyacheki nona chakirete arafu na korre keumbuga iga angena rigena twakora asina nyinge twakora asigusi
wote bangankorosi ule makara usina makara machine okoroseria sebone ikwayetwe no chino uratoire through abo process gake gochitaikaisa toigana kyo gocha kwa yarosi
na bongo baira amakara etware goenda si market mo especially Nyangusu Kisi town Magena asokonyora amakara akonigwa industry bagutigana na ariko bucha na chana sanga ne paindende yonsi na bikase machine de machine yiga ya yarosi na ndi yakoraki ya yasoki wona nchi nere korosia makara yewan ya machine yiga nero togutumika korosa briquettes egento togo korekera twaretire obuchao buri bwitu bwa makara otokubumura iguru gaiga after twabumuire gaiga eyege gusi na ndi ya combine together ya maego ya sokeri kuchimotu gaiga wona iga machine eteri gokore gasi asengencho ntokonya gokore dust ne ndagira yechiombe na kiako erekire tege tari gokore gasi but what we are doing now we are open to anybody otagete go partner na into because we have a free machine ya to kora kitoko mwa erege nta kora no go chari kiro materials achake korosia makara na ndari ya asara akore because nige antokonyara kumwa accommodate because of dust
Riando chega igama igayite machine nero ne machine ye ni gate bangane yo cross chindagira chiechombe ne chiechingoko nta to explain yake igo ndagira kiecho korosi na ndora torokia nganchiri chechi kwa rosi na tura manyinga ki na ndete maitiko sago cha kora yokia keigo tura igwana kieko bwo bunetinga
ero gieko bwo bunetinga na bonda ate yo moitaye beke on doris beke machine on na ndi chindagira tokorosi korosi turi ndagira ibichuchu ebike birie bingale pi torosi ne bichuchu mbire bikoro kuguro was torosi na le ya siri cha mageno dimi bona
machine nere yundo chenga na ndi nige kubuga kabisa bunetinga bono kora ere sango chindagira chirimo korosia
ya chindagira tokorosi ndagira ebichuchu birie bikepie bingale iyo guruku chikimash twarosi growers twarosi layers arafu nabalimi baitumba bwate chiombe twabarosirie ndagira iria komenta mabere iyo guruku daily na igento togokora igo tokoni kulingana bune besa yo mulimi ngana ngopima tole kira yemo iyo tokoni singi 50 arafu twapima ne nusu ekiro gekoro twanyorete abalimi mbale batanyale kugura chikiro 10 batanya kugura na kiro wono toko genda according the capacity yo mulimi bunangana so that to make sure nga tuisane kiria aba customer cheito ebi na bitogokora
igo ekorokoro sichindagerechi ntubwate chechingo kona ndi ntubwate chechiombe nga kyo mix ebinte byo mix kwacha konyore ndagere yembiri byebi
ebintu toko mix ne binge ngogenda turi nakuru twarete gento ngere bakoruka wheat bran wheat bollard twareta sunflower soya twareta cotton seed harafu tokwenda Nairobi twarete bintu mbiri bakoruka additives ebibinga muna musio mariogo nandi saa singine na ni twasendagira itoko lingo beka turi chumbi ne chingo kona chio chingo takachire ndagira yabo yansa na kiako atokoreta chi additives isomenta so that to make sure nga chingo ko chitunji bwate nutrients chisaine no ne kero konya rigena ukuriri na rigi ya guseno ne nyama yengoko na liegwansa yakore binte bimbi saine asendagire
ekwate banga kwenda muri Nakuru Nairobi mwagura different kinds of items mogocha mwatumia koros chindagira na kigose mokunyara kubya access ke tumete you have to go there personally gose mogoda byaretu
ya rere gento kera rumate chisimi buna chiacha technology has improved our economy egento koro to wake simi once wakire simi akwabe kachiba sampesa watumirwe ebintu lakini buna bana kura singi bakorete ebintu in bulk babwate gali yabo bakoreta once ba delivery na ena lyoko bakana immediately
what about keroko ni chindagire chi omuntu agochaga personally gose naro ngo tumia more mitandao kone
ngotumeka turi mitandao nandi mbono twachagete gutumike mitandao koni, lakini mostly from the previous days into twakorire tokoni locally because of our capacity which is very low, and we are aiming to start doing commercially as we finish our new facility. That's time now we are going to go commercially, and we are going to do tugutumike mitandao all over Gusii and all over entire Kenya.
Wakwa nire ng'ae facility nire mokorosia ng'ang'a mokorose guse mokorose in a different location.
Tiri ale mono igere Masimba abu no tukwagacha, and I think at the end of next month yokonyara twang'anyire uchiororo inde tuchake commercialize to make sure nga engoko ne ng'ombe yo Gusii igotire to improve in protein, to improve na injira tumenyete so that tunyara gusaidia butaka among us.
Tutarakora enseme yechindagira chingoko na nechindagira chechombe narora sigete bichuchu byare ngari atimatinga naye okobituragia gose ng'aki
enamo chikweva nije ngo bituragia nande egento kyagete nganya guturagia bichuchu ebi enanyota bali mibaito mbachandikite konyore bichuchu bona bakonyore bichuchu kuruisiko ya Gusii mo especially baenda na kuru Eldoret nganyoranga nebe buya nyare ko bagingo nyori machine yane na inchi nyare ko bagingo supply abalimi baitu ne bichuchu ndubate machine ngoni tore bichuchu byeri tuko nande ngoni tore na nechingo kekero chia kore either 3 months go chigoro yani ento mitinga chingo ko chochi ngoni tore kururi tukelimo kogendera guchimutu ngokora tore biyonse.
Okay, asante sana ase ogosanga naintwe ase omurubiri bogoseria obotaka ase twanyarire kumurekera ebinto gokora ase chimashini echikorosia amakara korosia chindagira chiochombe chindagira chechingoko nabo igo narari nkoni ore ebichuchu korende ndakobore ng'ekero koni ebichuchu ebinga kyo koni egechuchu keritu kerimo
egechuchu keritu kerimo togokionia emia nabo tokionigo nandi kogendera kera buna kikuna gusuka matuko nerigoria endi gasaine gusuka nindagire yaita chiduka igukuru kuboka feeds.
Totararwa buna ende igento kyo moerio ebichuchu ebi ekero kobionia konyorore ng'a kwa bieira mario gakira omonto naro koire ebichuchu tamaete giao kora biende bikwe
ase ekero bire rituko erimo konya kubira tokobie vaccine nere bakuru ku Marex nera togo vaccine kurwa abu ngonyora turi toko mulimi schedule buna kuchira mario mpaka chabire chingoko chinene.
Aya, asante sana.